Hello learner, this is Teacher Nolly from Tayug National High School. Welcome to another session of Programming 1.
This video will help you use variables in Small Basic. Recall that there are 6 elements of programming and one of them is variable. Variable is like an empty box where you can put information like X, 3.14, and hello. In the previous lesson, we have created a program which displayed the text, "Hello World." But what if we want a more personalized message which includes an end user's name? Is this possible? Well, yes, through the help of variables. The program that we want to create has 3 major goals. The first goal is to inform the end user to enter a name. The second goal is to enter the data, which is the name given by the user using a variable. And the third goal is to show a message including the name that the user have entered. For our first goal, which is to inform the end user to enter a name, we will first use the code TextWindow. TextWindow is an object in Small Basic which provides text-related input. And since we want to display a text to inform an end user to enter a name, this is the perfect object to be used. The second code that we will use is write. Write is a type of operation under the object TextWindow. The function of write is to write text or number to the text window. This will be followed by the text that we want to show, which is the text "Enter your name." This is the text we want to display. Since it is a string value, we need to enclose it with quotation marks and brackets. The next thing that we have to do is to create a variable. We will use the variable name. Name is the name of our variable, which will store the value that will be given by the end user. Since a text will be stored on the variable name, we will use again the object TextWindow. Remember that TextWindow provides text-related input and output functionalities. The next code that we will write is read. Read is an operation under the object TextWindow. The function of this code is to let the variable name read the data that is entered by the user. Moving with our final goal, we will show a message including the name that the user have entered. And because we are showing a message or showing a text, we will use again the object TextWindow. It is followed by the code WriteLine. WriteLine is basically a shortcut for saying write something on a new line. We want to show the word hello with the value of the variable name, so we added a plus icon. Take note that the value of name will depend on the data that will be given by the user. After entering all the necessary codes, run the code in your Small Basic work environment or click the shortcut F5 and see for yourself that it has achieved our 3 major goals. In this video, you have used a variable in Small Basic.
And that ends our lesson for today. See you on our next video. Keep safe!